What's the meaning of brachiosaurus? Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus is a genus of sauropod dinosaur that lived during the late Jurassic period, around 154 to 153 million years ago. The name Brachiosaurus means arm lizard in Greek, referring to its long forelimbs that were longer than its hind limbs. This dinosaur was a herbivore and had a long neck to help it reach vegetation up high in trees. It was also one of the largest dinosaurs, with estimates of its length ranging from 21 to 26 meters and its weight up to 56 metric tons. Brachiosaurus is known from incomplete fossils found in North America and Africa.